So here we go, we're at beautiful Santa Monica and we're at the beach, and we're just going to go take a look and check it all out and see what we can see. It's absolutely roasting hot today here. You can see for miles. It's very nice, very clear, and we'll just have a quick look down this boardwalk here. And we'll have a look at the lifeguard tower as we get down there. The beaches are just absolutely massive. There's plenty of room for everybody to come and chill out and do whatever they want to do here. So I'm having a look now. It says it's 90 degrees here and it's only 11 AM, so I don't know what it's going to be like this afternoon. I would imagine it's going to be about 94, 95 degrees. And just look how beautiful it is actually today. A few clouds today, but like I say, so absolutely red hot. Lovely with all the palm trees and everything there. And let's just have a look. There's just miles and miles and miles of beautiful beach here. You can go out and walk on. It's beautiful. So we're just going to have a look at the lifeguard tower now here. There's 2 lifeguard trucks in there, so there must be a few lifeguards on duty in that tower. Let's just zoom in and get as close as we can to it. There you go. Amazing. Absolutely beautiful. So let's just head down to the water's edge here and have a quick look here. It's not far to the water's edge, so we might as well do it while we're here. Some people here sunbathing. So there we go, right to the water's edge here, and we've got people swimming, surfing. Look at this guy, when he comes off, he's fell off. Absolutely amazing here. What a beautiful place. And we did walk all up here a couple of years ago. We went straight up here to the Santa Monica pier. So that was an amazing walk when we did that. And as we turn around there again, we can see the lifeguard tower.